Hey, what's up people, my name's Shadowliam and welcome to this Windows 7 tutorial on how to change the Windows 7 logon screen. Basically the logon screen is where you boot up your computer and the main logon screen where you enter your username and password, which lets you operate your system when you log on to your desktop. I'm going to be teaching you how to change that, which by default it is blue, but now you can use a custom image on the background. The first thing you need to do is go on the internet and go on Google or find a wallpaper which is about the same size as your resolution for your screen, which you can find out by going to screen resolution and looking there and make sure it's at the highest. And make sure it's less than 256 kilobytes. Once you've done that, you can press the start button and type in regedit. Basically this is the registry edit where it lets you edit your system files, and once you're in there you can maximize it so you have a full view of the GUI. Basically you need to go into HKY local machine, and once you're on that you need to go down to software, down to Microsoft, and scroll all the way down till you find a folder called Windows, and click on the Windows, current version, authentication, then Logon UI len background, and you should have a file called OEM background. If you don't, you need to right click new key len. It will be there and call it OEM background. What I need to do for this is double click it and change the value data to 1, and this is essential that you do that, and click OK. You can now close registry edit and open your computer and type in this address: computer local disk C Windows system 32 00BE, and once you're in this folder you're going to need to go in the folder and make a new folder by clicking this button on the ribbon and call it info, and go in this folder and make a new folder and call it backgrounds as example here. Then go in this folder and drag your image what you got off the internet, and make sure it's a JPEG file and less than 256 kilobytes. Drag it in, and you want to rename the file to background default. And once you've done that, you can exit out the folder and restart your system, and I shall see you at the logon screen.
Okay guys, now once I restart the system, you can boot up your system one more time. I've just booted up my system right now, and I'll see you at the logon screen. Okay guys, as you can see, there is my new logon screen for Windows. As again, this has just been a boot up of my PC, and this was the image which I showed you before I changed the background. But here it is, just to show this is not fake. Here's me on my logon screen, and I'll just enter my password just to prove this again. As you can see, I've been off the logon screen, and now I'm logged back on my Windows where I left you last time. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you could please leave a like and a comment for more tutorials on Windows 7, or tutorials in general. If you want to request a video there, just request it in the bottom of the video. Until then guys, bye bye.